Okay, we're working on the Chevelle extra gauges project where we're putting in a boost vacuum gauge and a electronic fuel pump pressure gauge. That's for this setup we've got here, which is electronic fuel injection. So it's somewhat daunting with the changes and the wiring that has to be done. As can be seen, it's pretty extensive. And then it's really something hooking it all up inside here. Finding the proper place and making sure that the connections are all fused properly. Anyway, there's the computer for the fuel injection over there. Anyhow, that's where we're at right now, so we'll be working on that. Hopefully get this all back together tomorrow. Okay, this is the fuel pressure sender for the gauge. So it's fully electronic. No fuel goes inside of the car. So placing some RTV on the clock housing, which to keep it from rattling, since it's separated into a couple of pieces there. Okay, we've hooked up the wires to the back of the gauge set and the various power, ignition, and accessory and light wires to the fuse box. There's at the top there's battery, then lower down is ignition on, and then the final one is the lamps. Okay, show you more. Okay, now we'll put the gauge package back together. Basically, it's held on by just two of these nuts. So that should be tightened up a bit, but basically that should be it. Here's the main dash enclosure. So we'll take that and try to get that in there. Say part of the clock that has to go through there. Okay, there we go. Looks like these may have stripped out just a bit. They need to be tightened very tight. Okay. Okay, that's just to affix the time changing knob. Basically, it's ready to go back in.